In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft OneNote on Windows. We'll use the Microsoft Store to get the official OneNote app, which keeps everything up to date and installs safely. To begin, open the Start menu. You can click the Windows icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search field, type Microsoft Store, then select the Microsoft Store app from the results to open it. If you already see the store icon on your taskbar, you can open it from there as well. Using the store ensures you're getting the authentic app directly from Microsoft, with automatic updates handled in the background. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look for the search bar at the top, click into it, and type OneNote. As results load, you'll see Microsoft OneNote listed. Click Microsoft OneNote to open its app page. Take a quick look to make sure it's the official app published by Microsoft. This helps you avoid any similarly named tools that aren't the real thing. On the OneNote page, click Install. On some systems, the button may say Get. Either option begins the same download and installation process. After you click Install or Get, the store will handle everything automatically. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download status. The time it takes can vary depending on your internet speed and system performance, so don't worry if it takes a few minutes. It's a good idea to keep the store window open until it finishes. While it downloads, remember that the Microsoft Store may briefly check for app dependencies and set them up for you. No extra action is required on your part. If you notice that the button says Open instead of Install, that generally means OneNote is already installed on your computer. If you see a small cloud icon or a pause symbol, that simply indicates the download is queued or temporarily paused. It should resume on its own. Once the installation completes, the button will change to Open, confirming the app is ready. From here, you can close the Microsoft Store and proceed whenever you're ready. If you run into any hiccups, common causes include a spotty internet connection or low disk space. Making sure you're online and that your device has enough free storage usually resolves most issues. And that's it. You've used the Microsoft Store to install Microsoft OneNote on your Windows PC, with the app now set up to receive updates automatically. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get OneNote installed quickly